Cook here. Glad you could join me. I am out at Topsail Beach, beautiful Topsail Beach on a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning. This is my first trip out since the COVID-19, since we've been on lockdown. But looks like I got a fish on. How about that? Fish on. Let's see what we got here. That was a good hit. Virginia mullet, good eating size. Well, good deal, good deal. First fish of the year, and you guys are here for it. All right, guys, like I was saying before, we were rudely interrupted by a fish. Hope it happens again. Like I said, this is my first outing since we've been on lockdown. And I am sure happy to be out here. As you can look down the beach here, some fellow fishermen, they're coming out too. Let me check it. But yeah, just glad to be out here. It feels good. It's my first trip out this year. As you saw, I just caught my first fish this year. Little old Virginia mullet. And I think I might have something else on here. Maybe not, maybe not. But yeah, I'm sure just glad to be out here and glad you guys could join me. Looks like we got another one on. Yeah. Fish on. Doesn't feel like much, but hey, it's a fish, right? Another Virginia mullet. Nice. Well, I got lunch anyway, right? All right, got another fish on. Another Virginia mullet. I have caught my line, but that's all right. Yeah, that's a decent size. Oh yeah, good deal. Good deal. All right, looks like we got another one on. Like this might be a decent. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that monkey right there. Hell yeah. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the size of that baby. That is a nice Virginia mullet right there, guys. That is nice. That is a nice Virginia mullet right there. Man. Ah, whew. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. A little lively too. I'm gonna get that other hook in my hand. All right. Come on, buddy. Oh, that's decent there. That is decent. Yes. All right, guys, got a quick joke for you. Fishing joke while we're waiting on the next fish. Guys out on the beach, game warden stops him. He got a bucket full of fish. Game warden says, well, I hope you got a license to catch these fish. He said, well, no. He said, these are my pet fish. He said, what? He said, these are my pet fish, man. Every evening, me and my wife come down here and we take them down to the water's edge and we turn them out and let them get some exercise, and I tap on the bucket and they get back in the bucket. And that game warden's like, yeah, you are out of your mind. You are out of your mind. He said, no, man, I'll prove it to you. He says, well, I got to see this. So he grabs the bucket, him and the game warden walk down to the water's edge. He pours the fish out, fish swimming around. Game warden says, all right, call him back. The guy says, call who back? He said, call the fish back. The guy says, what fish? All right, we got another one on here. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, little old Virginia mullet. Whew. That's a little one there. We eat him too.